take you into the Green Factory. Yongruo Electronics was established in 2012 and is a manufacturing enterprise engaged in the design, development, production, sales, and service of connection harnesses, power cords, and new energy harnesses. The company has years of production experience and technical strength, and has established sound internal management systems. It has passed safety certifications in more than 80 countries and obtained multiple management system certifications. The product is widely used in industries such as LCD TVs, automobiles, monitors, medical devices, etc. All products produced comply with European environmental requirements RoHS 3.0 and are free from any harmful substances. The company has reached strategic cooperation with multiple well-known leading enterprises in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Strive for progress. Disrupt innovation.